Honorable Minister Shri Kalraj Mishra ji, distinguished guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, my industry colleagues, very good morning to all of you. Let me start by extending a very warm welcome to this elite gathering of business leaders as well as government and industry colleagues. As the global economy is shifting to the east, as they say, the trade bloc, I think we're going to be increasingly more and more Asia-centric as they are expecting over the coming decade. The huge market potential of India is getting recognized. Yeah, it's always recognized, now it's become the in thing, and the economy pace and the expected rate at which India is going to grow is making our market more and more important. The Make in India campaign launched by the government to boost domestic manufacturing as well as make India a pivotal player in the global economy, I think is set to transform the business atmosphere. Yeah. As you know it, logistics and supply chain industry is a barometer of any economy, and as service providers, I think we see what's coming in the economy and possibly a lead indicator to what is happening in the economy. The Indian logistics industry, we feel, is poised for a 12 to 15% growth in the next 5 to 10 years. I think we're going to see a decade of growth for several reasons. Make in India is a big driver. The reforms is a second big driver. The changes, possibly especially GST when it comes in, is going to be a big change driver. I think we are all getting ready for the faster growth, and there is a lot of challenges, opportunities and enablers and things which needs to be done so that we make this kind of a growth a reality and play our part in the Make in India ambition as well as the fast GDP growth which we are looking forward to in the next coming years. Today is one such opportunity, and DHL is extremely pleased to present to you the Economic Times Supply Chain Summit. Amongst us we have not only industry leaders but also our customers and regulators representing the government and the machinery which governs the entire supply chain and operation in the country, to deliberate on the opportunities to scale up India's competitiveness in the global marketplace and to discuss the role of logistics players to enable that growth. So that's going to be the theme for the day. So far the government has done an outstanding job of creating great job in reaching out to the global business community and reinstilling investor confidence in the country. And it's going to be an ongoing effort. It's not a one-day job. So you create an opportunity, we have to live up to that promise, and we have to continue to live up to the promise and be attractive for the global investments to flow. The government has done many reforms over the past 12 to 15 months in trying to reduce the overall cost of doing business in India. There are some encouraging movements in many avenues of which touch the industry and especially the logistics and service providers. I'm very thankful for that, and there is great intent we see, and we hope that this is going to accelerate in the coming months. Given that the logistics solutions are an important part of facilitating global value chains, initiatives to modernize the sector, especially development of air cargo infrastructure, port infrastructure, dedicated freight corridors, logistics parks, all of them are intents and investments and efforts in the right direction. We in the industry look forward to continued reforms, simplification in customs procedures, the GST which is coming up, a whole host of trade facilitation, warehousing regulations, reforms of RTOs. So there is a huge list which is on the table in differing stages of discussion and policy reform, and all of them are, there is no silver bullet, but there are hundreds of small things which come in. They come together, I think they are going to really drive the economy forward. We have Kalnath Mishra ji, Honorable Minister for MSME, many other government dignitaries here, customers here, our customers here, and my industry colleagues and service providers here. I hope today's session will give a great stage to discuss on the key issues, challenges and opportunities which are in front of us to effectively manage the kind of supply chain solutions this market needs, and which will most importantly help us. Our effort today will be to document the discussions, and I'm sure Economic Times eventually will come out with a white paper which can be given to the differing ministries so that some of the thoughts which are shared by the industry and the leaders who are present here today are not lost, and they become a bit more actionable, and there is some push to make things move faster from our side, and which is, I think, the intent of the day's conference. My request to the larger audience who are here is that we'll be extremely happy if all of you walk out of this conference with 1 or 2 points which you picked up today, which will help improve your business situation, or some contribution you made to things move faster and bring home the Make in India dream, which all of us are here to live in the next 5-10 years. On that note, I would like to thank all of you for joining us today, and I wish you all a productive and insightful session. Thank you.